Seafood Festival, so many things happening this weekend, and we lucked out with pretty good weather. It's a little bit on the humid side compared to what we saw earlier in the week, but hey, 80 degrees, feeling only a couple degrees higher than that. No rain really to worry about this weekend. I think most of us will take it. Temperatures right now right around 80, some of us upper 70s. And then the big thing, of course, this weekend has been the wind. Our wind sustained in the white numbers. You can see up to 20 or so miles per hour. But look at the gusts in the yellows, up to about 30 plus miles per hour. We do keep a wind advisory in place officially just for another couple hours until 9 p.m. for those gusts up to near 35 miles per hour. And of course, if you're along the coast, there is still a minor coastal flooding situation you may have noticed from those sustained southeast winds. That goes until 7 p.m. tomorrow night. And then we should see things probably improve, although the winds will stay a little elevated Monday too as we get our next system moving in. Right now, you can see, look at this lineup of these red boxes within the tornado watch. Those are tornado warnings. So a lot of rotating cells with this line that stretches all the way from Texas far north by at least a couple of states. And then we are looking at our severe risk for tonight, quite elevated for where you're seeing those storms happen right now. And what we are seeing where we are is really just being in between these two things, which is number one, a strong low, and then also a strong high pressure area out to the east of us. So when you're between two strong features like that, the wind starts to rush between them. So that's why we've been seeing this windy weather for really yesterday and then today into tonight, and actually through tomorrow and into tomorrow night, our winds will stay elevated. Our forecast for this evening in the 70s, pretty pleasant, a little bit breezy to windy. That's about it. We're not expecting too much in the way of really active weather tonight, aside from those winds. Lows north and south close to about 70 degrees, and our winds sustained up to about 20 miles per hour still. And then tomorrow, the breeze continues, still up to about 15, 20 miles per hour. Sun and clouds mixed overhead and highs around 85. Stray showers possible, I'll show you in a second, but I have the rain chance only near about 10 or maybe at the most 20% for tomorrow. And then on Monday, our rain chance does increase. Tuesday, in fact, we may have a couple of scattered storms around. Not everyone will get rain though then. And then the rest of the week, we're kind of back to a more, I don't want to say summer-like, but kind of warm and steady forecast with a slight rain chance most days. Here's Precision Cast through tonight, quiet. This takes us into tomorrow afternoon. Again, a couple of stray showers not out of the question, but I don't think a lot of us are going to see a lot of rain. This is 7 p.m., so still looking good all the way through your festival time frame. Monday morning, 8 a.m., we're quiet, but look at this. We have showers and some storms at Lafayette to maybe almost Baton Rouge. Timing could change a little bit. It looks like for us it'll be midday and afternoon, but look how much the system is weakening as it moves in. So we are expecting rain, maybe a few storms, mainly through the afternoon. This is evening, it's all calming down, but we aren't really looking at this point for a lot of strong storms. In fact, we're only at the level 1 risk for severe storms on Monday, maybe a few high wind gusts, and our rain totals in the greens, not very much. You saw the system almost kind of fizzling as it moves through from north to south. So that would be maybe a quarter inch or less. The blue is about 1 maybe to 2 inches or so. And then the heavier rain would be off to the north of us, it looks like. So get ready for the rain on Monday. Tuesday's chance of rain still. And then after that, we're just looking at warm forecasts with a slight rain chance every day. Again, not summer-like temperatures, but kind of that same sort of steady forecast through the end of the week.